but I'm just telling. Here it is. What I'm telling actually, whenever you're seeing session not created exception, right? At that moment, it is nothing but the browser what you are using, the Chrome driver what you are using, right? Both are mismatching. So in that case, you have to download the latest. So I think I have already latest one somewhere here. This one supposed to be. I'll take this one. So copy this guy and go back to your actual project and then click on the paste. An exception has got while processing the refactoring problem checker while reading the resource. I understand what is the problem actually. Just now I ran a test case, right? So my Chrome driver is like that only, I think. I need to kill the Chrome driver. See, these two things I have to clear. Then it will work. End task, end task. And now you can replace this. Perfect. Now run this and check it is working or not. Perfect. This browser is opened and it is navigating to the automationpractice.com. I will repeat again, don't worry. Okay, if you're not understanding, I just want to know whether it is working or not. Yeah. If it is working, I can do something different. First test case ran successfully and now it is running the second test case. Perfect. It's supposed to get an error. Yeah, super. Excellent. We got this. Yep, super. Okay, now come back to here. Okay, so here, if you notice, where is my, let me close all and I'll tell you clearly one by one. Okay, let me close all the things. Okay, so if you notice, right, okay, the other day we have created the feature files. Okay, for each and every in the feature files we are having scenarios. Okay, scenarios are having the steps. Okay, so if you notice here, there is in the src test java features and sign in test cases. Okay, so this is the one, right? I have created. Yeah, let me open that. Let's go one by one. So see here, this is a test case 1 and this is a test case 2. And if you notice here, okay, two steps are same. These steps and these steps are same. Okay, there is no change. We know that one already. Okay, there is no change the stepwise. Okay, steps are same. Okay, there is no change. Open the browser, navigate to any website and then click on the sign in and then username, password, all steps are same. Okay, even though we are having total 8 steps. Why? Because this is 4 and this is 4. Okay, even though we are having 8 steps, how many step implementations we are having? 8 or 4?
4.
4, right? Excellent. Okay, we are having only 4. Okay, very good actually. So the only thing is that we are just changed the data over here. Okay, now how it is running, that is important actually. You should know that first. Okay, so see here, I am clicking on this one. So click on the control and click on this. So there is a step implementation is done over here. Okay, in the implementation file, what are the things which we have to do? Okay, the other day I have given, but it was I was having some calls and too much disturbance, right? On Friday, I'm telling again actually, don't worry. So see here, we are having 4 different pages.java file. Okay, 4 or 5 we are having actually. Why? Because as I said in the testng creation, right, the project working, we are having a .java file for each and every page. Okay, so I am just thinking that I am having total 5 files. See this, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I am just thinking total 5 different pages I am having. Okay, but as of now the working pages are only 3 are there, which is authentication page, okay, and home page and my account page. These two are dummy pages, which is contact us and create a dummy pages. I just created, but nothing is there under that. So that's the reason I haven't created the object. Okay, so the basic object creation is done here for each and every page. And what is the next one? The first step. What is the first step in each and every test case? Which is open the browser, navigate to the website. That is the first step. Can we do any test case execution without this step? We cannot do, right? Okay, without this, okay, can we do that? No, no, right? Okay, so that's the reason what we have to do it is, after you declare this object creation, what you have to do, you have to pass the driver to that one. So what you do it is, pass the driver here. See this, authentication is equals to new authentication page driver, home page is equals to new home page driver, my account object is equals to my account page driver. So like this I am doing actually. Okay, like this I am doing. And one more thing here, and one more thing here, it is, if you notice line number 25, okay, how we are getting the driver? Okay, how, in the sense we are having the test base. Okay, a step definition file, any definition file, okay, it has to be extended by the test base. It has to be extended by the test base. What is test base is having? A test base is having a simple method. See here, a simple method, which is this one. Okay, so see here, the only one simple method which is having a setup method. Okay, what is the return type for that one? Which is WebDriver is written. So I am returning that one. How I am returning? Simple steps, which is system.property, declaring the exe file location, driver is called new Chrome driver, maximize that one, navigate that one, and do the implicit wait, page timeout. So whatever it is, okay, I am doing that. Okay, these three steps which you have to do. Apart from that, you are not supposed to do anything under this. I mean, the regular stuff you can do. Whatever we implement in the test base, right? Getting the data from the property files, okay, and also like iTest listener, WebDriver, event listener, those things you can implement. Okay, there is no problem in that one. Okay, but just I'm telling that apart from these steps, right, we don't need to do anything else. Okay, but the regular steps, we, you know, right, reading the data from the property file, and then from there you can get the website, and from there you can get the username and password. From there you can get the these things, which is on which browser you want it, in Chrome, IE, or Firefox. Okay, all those things, those things you can do, nothing wrong in that. But in from this method you have to return the driver. You need to note that one actually. Okay, return the driver, that is must, remember that, guys. Okay, so I am going back to the step definition. So it is returning the this one. Okay, and see here. Okay, so I am calling the method like this, which is test base. Okay, name of the class dot name of the method. The method is static, so that's why class name dot method I called. Okay, you know that one already. Whenever I wanted to call the static method, what we have to do? Class name dot method, that's it. So done. And now what is next? Okay, so I received this driver here. Okay, I got the driver. Okay, I got the driver here. Okay, and I'm passing here and here and also here. That's it. You just need to pass. After that, the remaining steps are same how we did in the earlier, right? From the testng and all, it is same. Okay, click on the sign in link, the regular step, which is okay, what I want actually. So you know how to get this method from the tidy gherkin. Okay, under that one, what I said actually, I want to click on the sign in. Okay, from where I can click? From the home page. So home page obj dot get sign in link dot click, that's it. And then I wanted to enter the username and password. Okay, so what I am doing, so again the step definition method, under that one I am calling the three different methods. Okay, from the authentication page, which is login, password, and then submit button. These three I am doing actually. And then once after that one, I need to verify my page is displaying or not. Okay, my account is displaying or not, so I am doing that one. So by using assets, you know assets already. Okay, like that one I am doing. So if you want to go to the contact us by any chance, okay, so this one. Okay, verify the contact us page is displayed or not. So it is not implemented, I think. So these things are not implemented. Okay, like that you can do. So as of now, sign in test cases. Okay, a single test case I have written 2 times with a different set of data. So this is how you can do. Now if you wanted to like go with like contact us. Okay, so see here, this is a contact us one. Okay, if you want to achieve the contact us, right, what you have to do, again open the browser, navigate to this one, and then contact us link, and then I want to verify whether the contact us page is displayed or not. First check whether you are having the contact us page implementation or not. Where is this one here, right? Contact us page is not yet implemented actually. Let's do one thing, let's implement this one. Okay, just in a quick basis, let's implement this one. So because it's been long time, right, we didn't implement it. So copy this one, go back to the contact us. I'm implementing, and it should be in a constructor. Done. Okay, super. So where is the Chrome automationpractice.com and contact us, right? Let me click on the contact us. After clicking on the contact us, how do I know if I am storing this XPath in the contact us page, so that I can verify whether the page is navigated there or not? So what is the XPath for this one? There is a class I am having. Create the XPath. How do I create XPath? Control F, H1, @class. Perfect, right? So copy this.
Sir, how to write in the console, sir? Next path.
You mean here?
No, console here. Sir. Elements beside.
Control F.
You mean console which is having here?
Yes.
Why console?
Placing
See,
monitors are there.
don't use the console. Why you are using console? There should be some reason, right, to use console.
Yes, sir.
Don't use the console actually. You will confuse. Okay, that's the reason I did not told. But instead of console, I can give something different, other easy one. Okay, which is a crow path. I'm telling new one actually. Crow path for Chrome. Okay, so see this one, crow path for Chrome. Type in the Google. Okay, and you will get a link like this, chrome.google.com, and then crow path like this. Click on that one. Okay, so just click on the install the crow path from your machine. Okay, after installing the crow path from your machine, what you have to do it is, you wanted to get the XPath of this one, right? So right click on this, click on the inspect. You don't need to write the XPath here. For 80% XPath it will provide actually. So see here my cursor, I am clicking on, can you see crow path here?
Yes, sir.
After installing your crow path, it will come like this. Okay, and let me remove that one. Okay, so see here, it is giving the XPath by default. See this, can you see relative XPath? Whatever I have written, it is coming here. Can you see this? The same XPath it is coming here. I was using something like annotation of class. They are using contains text. Anything is fine. Okay, I can directly copy this XPath. Okay, come back here. I can use directly here the same XPath. Okay, so that is another way I'm just showing actually. But CrowPath, it is very good actually. But as you all are beginner, I thought to tell that one at the end. But now it's almost we reached the end, right? Which is contact us page text, right? Okay. And now what I want to create the get method for this one. Yes or no? I want to create the get method. for this guy. So get method is fine for me. So it is created the get method. And now what you want to do it is go back to your implementation page where it is implementation step definition. So yeah,
Sir, you
verify.
have to create the link for the contact us, right?
I have created right XPath for that. You mean
For the contact us
contact us? You're talking
link,
about this one,
link,
right? This one.
not here, sir. Browser.
I didn't get.
Go to the Chrome browser.
Go to the Chrome browser. Okay.
So check the contact us. We have
Con
to create the XPath for that.
acha acha. We didn't create a.
Mm.
Okay. I think we have. Let me check the home page. I was expecting we are having. Let me check in the home page. Nothing wrong in that, right? It is there. Home page is there right here.
Okay.
Okay. In the home page, I'm already given that one. Sign in, contact us. I have already given. So no need to give again. Okay. So now what I can do, go back to your implementation file. Where is the implementation file? Step definition file. Okay. So now create the contact us here also. Contact us object. Contact us object is equals to new contact us, pass the driver, and then contact us page object. Where is this one? It is here. Contact us object. Okay. Dot get contact us page dot get text. So I'm getting the text. So I have to store somewhere in the string contact us page text. Okay. And now I wanted to verify it. Asset asset dot asset equals. Okay. So from and to value. So this is a from value, the one which I am getting from the browser, and this is the to value. Sorry, this is a to value. Okay. So assume that I'm expecting this one. Both are matching, right? So this test case will pass. Otherwise, it will become fail. Okay. So save it. And now contact us. It is here. So I want to run this one. So what is the name of the file? Create account test cases feature, right? So copy this file name and go back to your test runner. Where is the test runner? Under the cucumber. Go open the test runner and instead of running this sign in test cases feature, you have to run this one. Okay. I don't want to run the sign in test cases. So that's why I removed that one and I am giving this one. You may be having a question. How to run only sign in? I will tell you that. Okay. If after running this. Just try to understand the concept, how to create pages, okay, how to add the links. So it is supposed to click on the contact us now. Oh my god, it is not. Okay, okay, I understand the problem. Where is my test case? Contact us, right?
Dot click. You have to enter.
uh Get contact us click is there. Why, what happened? Contact us is there, but it was clicked on the sign in, right? Contact create account. Array, come on guys, I have given create account test cases file here.
Yes, sir.
That's why it is running the create account test case. Paste it, save it. No one is watching me, or it will, what it will do, see this execution is done, and come back here and see this, no issues, which means we found the text. See this, verify the contact as page is displayed, it is verified, so that's why it is a green color. By any chance, if we are giving a invalid name, okay, invalid name in the sense, go here, assume that I am, instead of customer service contact us, right? If I remove the customer service here, okay, it will fail the test case. So now let me run this. Why? Because both texts are mismatching. It is expecting something and it found something, so that's why it will fail the test case. Let it run. Yeah, so go back here. Now see this, you can see, right, the test case is failed. Can you see cross mark?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, and now if you maximize this one, when you click on this, it will tell you actually, okay, expected is customer service contact us, but what was found? Only hyphen contact us. That's a problem. So, am I clear? So if you understand well what
Yes,
is
sir.
happening actually, first it is running test runner. Okay, from test runner, where it is going? Where it is going?
Feature file.
Feature file. Okay, from feature file, where it is going?
Contact us.
Contact us.
From
Step
feature
definition.
step definition file.
Yeah.
Definition file. From step definition file, where it is going?
Test base.
Test case.
Test base. It is internally. Okay, step definition test base is going to the internally, it is going to the test base. Why? Because it is extends the test base. Okay, but from the step definition file, where we are going exactly? The respective pages file, which is pages dot
Contact us.
java. So it can be anything. Okay, it can be like this, either it can be contact us, what happened, contact us page dot java, or it can be
Home page.
homepage dot java,
Create
or
account.
it can be
Create account. Java.
create account dot java, and etc. Right? You got it, right? See the hierarchy. Try to understand the hierarchy actually here. Okay, since it went here, it's okay. Yeah, try to understand the hierarchy here. Okay, what is the hierarchy? The hierarchy is like this. Okay, here to here, and from here to here, and then from here to pages.java file. Okay, like that it is going actually. Yes or no? The navigation is like this. Try to understand this navigation. Okay, so pages.java you know already. Okay, you have already learned this pages.java earlier. Okay, so a small change in the test base. Okay, earlier we are having the normal method. Now what we are doing, we are using the same method, but we are returning the WebDriver, okay, to the step definition file of the main method. Okay, and then feature files you know already. So okay, so what you understand now, for every feature file, okay, we are having some scenarios is having the steps. Each and every step should have the one step definition. Without step definition you cannot read it is a test case. Okay, So there should be a one step definition for each and every step. If you're having 1000 steps, you have to implement the 1000 step definition files. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And now what we'll do it is, we will add some extra features under the same. Now you know how to create the test runner and how to call the feature file from the test runner. From the feature file, how to go to the step definition, from step definition to pages.java. So everything now you know. Okay. Now what we'll do it is, we'll go to the some little advanced. So far we did not see any reporting system. Okay. So a lot of things we are missing actually. So let's start learning the features of the file, features of the cucumber, I mean. Okay, features of the cucumber. So let's start learn that one. So I have already given in the document. Okay, many things are there actually. So let's get started. Okay, with that one. So this is done data table. Okay, what is a data table actually? Okay, so for we didn't learn, I'm showing you now. Okay, what is a data table? A data table is nothing but, so what we have given actually, so we have given the username and password here in a single line. It is a 2 parameters. Okay, if I wanted to pass something around 10 parameters, okay, does it looks good every time providing the code, double quotes? Okay,
No.
it looks very bad actually, ugly also. Okay, so that's why we are having a concept called data table. Okay, so I will give you the like rough example here. Okay, so data table one, copy this and go back here, right click on this, click on the paste. Okay, let me copy these three, not these three, these two. I'm giving, copy these two. So here what I will do, okay, login with below credentials. Okay, so I'm taking only 2 parameters here, I'm not taking much. Okay, so you can try with the create account. Create account is having lot of parameters, right? You can pass create account data like this. So now I'm going with santosh@test.com and the password is 123456. The remaining things I am removing actually here. Okay, so click on the sign in. What happened? It is there. Why it is showing in the yellow color? I'm not sure. Let me close and open. It will come, I think. Yeah, it vanished. Okay, so now I need to implement this one. Okay, how do I implement? Okay, so if you copy paste this guy, see this, copy this guy, tidy gherkin, right? So go back to the tidy gherkin and paste it and click on the Java steps. Okay, so are you getting the proper steps here? No, right? Why? Because the regular method you are getting, but what about this one, passing the parameters? Am I getting that information here, passing the parameters? Does it showing any like receiving 2 parameters? No, right?
No.
No.
Sir.
Okay, in this case our tidy gherkin don't work. Okay, how to achieve that one? To achieve that one, I have given already the code here. Okay, to achieve that. Okay, so see here, so copy this and go back to your step definition file and come down. I don't know where, yeah, paste it, the code, that code. So what is my step? Login with below credentials, right? Copy this as it is, copy, go here and paste it. Am I clear? You know, right? This one, that one and this one both has to be same. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And now if you notice, there is an error here. What is the error actually? So it is asking me, if you wanted to work with the data table of the Cucumber feature, you have to import a one class, which is a import data table API. So this one. So click on this, just import, it will happen, done. Okay. Now the question it is, how many parameters, one more error right here, list actually. this is the collections, our regular collections actually. We learned already. Okay, we are having list collection, nothing but array list. Okay, so same this. So import list. Remember guys, whenever you're importing the list, it has to be java.util. It will confuse you. There is a one more java.awt. Don't click on the awt. Click on the only java.util. So click on the java.util. Done. Okay, and now the question it is, save it. Yeah, error gone. So now the question it is, how many parameters you are passing here? How many parameters we are passing using data table?
2.
Two parameters. So
2.
now good. Now what we have to do it is, let me do the side by side. Yeah, we are passing two parameters. Perfect. We know that we are passing two parameters. So I want only these two. I don't want these two actually. So cut this. I don't want that one. Okay. First, what I will do, I am just printing that. Okay. Then later we will decide. Okay. So first, what I will do, in the left hand side, I am commenting this. Okay. For the time being, I am commenting this one. Okay. I want to check whether I am receiving these two parameters or not. Okay. So click on the test runner and see whether it is coming that one or not. So the regular job, it will open the browser, navigate to that one, clicking on the sign in, and then it will print. So perfect, but oh my god. Okay. You understand why we got error? Can someone tell? I will give you a gift. Why we
Did
got?
not change customer service.
No. I will give you a gift.
In the test runner, we did not change from contact us to sign in.
Perfect. Very good. We need to add this one, right? I did not change it because we are running the test cases from the test runner, but we haven't updated this. If I click on the run button, it will run the sign in test cases. Very good. Who is that?
Tejaswini sir.
Tejaswini. Very good, Tejaswini. Yeah, this is the only gift. I cannot send anything. Yep, good. So now come back here and see whether we are getting those two data or not. Am I getting? Does it printing or not?
Yes, sir.
It's printing, right? So this is how you can pass the data to the test cases. Okay. This is how you can pass the data. So what is happening actually? So this is, let me take the cursor. This is passing to here. And this is also passing here. And it is printing here. Am I clear? Simple, right?
Okay, sir. But I repeat once again.
You ought to repeat man here. It's very simple, straightforward actually here. So let me try to, okay. So see here, I wanted to pass the data. Okay. What I want to pass the data, I want to pass username and password. Okay. I want to pass the username and password, not in the single line. I want to pass in the using the data table format. Okay. So this is a data table format. Whenever you are using the data table format, okay, if you copy paste that code in the tidy Gherkin, it don't work. So that's the reason I am giving this code. Okay. So here what you have to, so this code I am giving already in the text file. I have already given also. So what
Sir,
you
for
have to do,
everything we have to do this code only.
if you wanted to approach the data table, you have to use this format.
In
Okay.
real time also.
In real time also, everyone uses the same format. There is
Okay.
no change. Yeah. And then it is receiving the data table. We have to import the class file and then list. We have to, this is one of the collection, and then to print or to use that value, you have to use this command res.get0 of get0. That is nothing but first parameter. res dot get 0 of get 1. That is the second parameter. And this is how you have to use. Okay, like this. Okay.
Sir, why are you giving get one for the
Get 1 is nothing but second parameter. This is a 0 parameter. This is the first parameter. That's why it is like this. First is belongs to this guy, and 0 is belongs to this guy. That's why I'm giving get of 1. Okay. Are you clear
Sir.
now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yep. Any other doubts by anyone?
Sir, I had a doubt in the step definition.
Okay.
After pasting the tidy gherkin code, so I'm not getting the given import options.
Given input option, if you are not getting in the step definition,
Yes, sir.
just copy paste whatever I have given. Okay.
Yeah.
Even though it is not coming,
So we have to import now, sir. Import
import it should come actually. Just like what you do, it is update your project.
update. Okay.
Yeah, you know, right, how to update the project.
Yes, sir.
So just update the project, it will come.
Okay.
Any other doubts? Yeah, if no doubts, what I will do, I will implement the same code wise, which is authentication page, right? Or object dot set login. Okay, login is this one, right? This is a username. Okay, and same thing for the auth object dot set password. Okay, so this is copy paste, this is the one. And what is the last one after that?
Button.
Sign in button.
Get sign in, right? Get login submit button. Yeah. Dot click, right? So now it will work. It's almost 9:56. Huh? Let's complete this cucumber today. We have few more things actually in the same cucumber. So people will ask you, okay, what is data table in the cucumber? Okay, now you can tell the answer. Okay, so whenever you wanted to pass a huge data, right, we have to use the data table. Okay, so what we have to do it is we have to provide the data in the form of pipes. Okay, pipes is nothing but this symbol is called pipes. This one you can see, right, these things. Okay, yeah, this is called pipe symbols. Okay, you have to pass the data in the form of like a pipe symbols. Okay, like that. So whenever you wanted to pass one or two parameters, it is good to provide in the single line. But if you want to pass the data with multiple data sets at that moment, go with the pipe symbols. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. What happened? Yeah. So cool.
So do we have the listeners and set property external what is we
You
have
can
in
you can do that, listeners and all you can do. Nothing wrong in that. Yeah. Still you can do. Listeners, log forges, all the things you can do. There is no change in that one. Okay. And now come back to the other one. So people will ask you, what is scenario outline? Okay, scenario outline. So if you notice, every time I am logging with one single username and password here and here also. But if I wanted to log into the application with a different set of username and password, one is with santosh@test.com, another one is santosh1@test.com, another one digital cutlet@test.com. I wanted to test the application in different ways. Okay, in that case, what we have to do? Okay, in that case, what you have to do it is you have to use a concept called scenario outline. Okay, scenario outline. So this is a scenario outline. Okay, so So come back here. This is test case 3, right? 3 using data table. Okay, and now let's go with the another option, scenario outline. Okay, copy entire thing and paste it here and update it accordingly. Dot test case. So test case 004. What is this? Using scenario outline. The above one, it is data table feature. What is the outline feature? So let me copy paste in these lines first. Copy the first 2 lines and paste it here. Okay, and in the line number 27. Okay, so okay, user log into the application with below username and password, and I'm updating the username here. The first username, it is santosh@test.com, and the password is 123456. And now I want to test the application with different username, which is digital cutlet@test.com. okay, and the password is 123456. And the last one, it is which is something teja@test.com. okay, this username is not exist. 123456. okay, so you can give some proper format also, like this. Just click on the tabs, it looks good. That's it, nothing wrong in that. Now it looks good, right? Yeah. So now see here, if you notice, now this entire test case will run 3 times. This entire test case will run 3 times with santosh@test.com, and second time when it is running, it will use this one, and whenever it is third time, it is running this data. But what happened in the previous here? So whenever I wanted to change the test username and password, right, I have created a separate test case and I have created one more separate test case. But here it is not like that. In a smart way, you can handle actually. Just to provide like this, it will run automatically. So that is the beauty of scenario outline. Okay, just to provide the data like this, and this entire test case, it will run 3 times. If you add one more here, it will run 4 times. If you add one more here, it will run 5 times. Like that, that beauty of scenario outline. It will reduce your work. To handle the same thing with the help of what do you call testng, right? You have to create a for loop, lot of things you have to do. Okay, but here very simple actually. And now, so see here, let me copy paste this one, whether we are getting the code from the tidy gherkin or not. So come back here. So right click on this, click on the paste, click on the Java steps. So see here, I'm getting some code here. Can you see? I'm getting some code here. So now copy the code. Okay, not here now. And go back here, go to your implementation, and paste it here. Okay, that's it. So remove this one, and you can use your regular job. Okay, so authentication dot, okay, you can do this, copy these 3 lines, paste it that one. This is the username, copy this, paste it. This is the password, copy that, paste it, and then semicolon, right? Perfect, done. Now let's see here. Okay, so see this, the only things you have to remember here, it is, so this step you have given username here and you have given password here. It has to match with this username and this password. And remember guys, we have to use the example keywords. Okay, this is the syntax we have to use. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and now run the test case.
Sir, we have to use the sign out also. One by one.
One by, yeah, you can use, that's nothing wrong. So just add one more step and then click on the sign out. You want me to use sign out also, or you will try? Can you try with sign out?
Yes.
Yeah. So how you are feeling, Cucumber? While practicing the Cucumber, I hope you are not forgetting the testng. Just you can tell that in the interview, right? So I am having a good exposure on the Cucumber. So I know the Cucumber actually. I have practiced the Cucumber my own. We haven't implemented, but I have practiced my own. Like I know that the Cucumber is having scenario outline, data table features, a scenario feature file. Okay, we can run the test cases from the test runner. When you're telling these keywords, right, that is enough. Okay. So there is no much questions for the Cucumber actually. You are having max to max 20 questions in the interview. I'll send that 20 questions also. If you tell that 20 questions, right, they'll feel that okay, this guy is a rock star. We can take him or her like that. Okay, it will happen actually. So that's why I'm telling. Tell all these things. Okay. Am I clear? So go back here and you can see it ran. So third one. Sign in test case 3, sign in test case 4. Yeah, it ran 2 test cases. Perfect. Okay, it's supposed to be fail actually. So there is a step is not implemented actually. If you notice here, okay, cards are displayed. This step is not implemented. So that's why in the console what it is telling actually. So it's a step is not implemented. See this. You can implement missing steps like this. I have already told you. Whenever we are not implementing, it will throw an error like this. Okay, am I clear? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, right? So yeah, done. And now come back. So come back to the one more feature, which is how to get the HTML report in the HTML. So far we haven't seen any reports actually. Okay, so see here, to get the HTML report, just to copy this line, okay, and paste it in the Cucumber options. That's it. Apart from that, you don't need to do anything. So go back here. Where is your test runner? It is here. Okay, the test runner is here, and after the glue, okay, just to provide the comma and click on the enter and paste it. That's it. Plugin is equals to, okay, pretty comma HTML target Cucumber. Target is nothing but target folder. It will create, under that one it will create a HTML report. Some error it is providing. What is that error? Acha, okay, yeah, I need to cut this guy, paste it here. That's it. So now run this. It will generate a HTML report. Okay, this will run 3 times, right? Okay. Yeah, it is running. Which one is better, Cucumber or testng?
Cucumber.
Cucumber is very easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Writing the test case are very fast actually here. Just copy paste, copy paste. If you're having the good framework, right, you just need to do the copy paste. That's it. So see here, it ran. Okay, and as I said, it is generating the report under the target folder. So let's see, do we have the target folder now? Yes. Does it having anything? No, right? Now what you do is refresh the target folder. Open this. Again, you got the Cucumber folder. Open this. There is index.html. Now open this. See how it is generating the report. Let me open in the Chrome. See this. Each and every step it is giving the information. Neatly it is providing the report. With the step, what happened? Whenever it is failing, see it is failing for the first step. See this. Total 3 steps, right? First step it is pass. Second step it is fail. So where it is failed, these 3 are pass. But when it is verifying the account, it is failed. It is clearly giving the proper information to you when it is failed and all. So this is how you can generate the HTML report. And one more thing we are having, let me close all these browsers, man, it is confusing me. I'm just closing all the browsers. After this one, what we can do it is we are having one more reporting system, which is XML report, okay, and also JSON reports. That's okay. I mean, like those things are we are not using, but I'm just telling that information. So creating the JSON reports, okay. You don't understand if I teach this. So creating the JSON reports about this one and also XML reports, okay. So to create the JSON reports, what you have to do it is in the pretty target you have to use the cucumber.json. So copy this, go back here, instead of HTML, right, you have to use this JSON, paste it, save it. I will remove, man, I don't want to run 3 test cases, it is wasting our time because we have a lot of things to discuss. Oh, what happened? Could not load class cucumber JSON. Why? Let me run again. Oh, what is the wrong? Cucumber JSON I have given properly, right? Then why it is throwing error? Let me check with this. Oh, after adding Cucumber JSON, it is throwing an error. Why? Okay. Target I missed, I think. Target slash. Click on the run. No. What's the problem, man? Target. Okay. It should be this keyword. I forgot to use the JSON colon actually. Let me copy the entire thing. Go back here. Now paste it entire thing and go back here. Comment these 2 lines and now run this. It will work. Yeah, it is working. It is generating a JSON report. Actually, you don't understand what is a JSON report, but still I am showing you. Because sometimes whatever we have created the HTML report, right, client may don't like, okay, they will ask you to provide some JSONs from the Cucumber and they will generate their own report actually. So that's why this is a JSON report, it is generating actually. This is just another option, okay. This is not needed, but I'm telling you. Yeah, it is done. Execution, and come back here and refresh this. Right click, refresh. See this cucumber.json. When you open this, it is coming like this. You may not understand this language. but it's okay if you don't understand because it is not needed for you, but you will understand this language tomorrow. Okay, because we are learning tomorrow API. This is the one type of report, and there is a one more type of report, XML. So copy this, go back here, so go back here, that's it. You have to update with the XML, and now click on the run button. It will generate the report in the form of XML. Yeah, these things are like a silly, okay, it looks, but if you tell right these things, so we can generate the reports in the JSON, we can generate the reports in the XML, and also we can generate the reports in HTML format. We have tell like this, apart from HTML, we can generate the reports in the XML and also JSON formats in the Cucumber. That is another advantage when compared with the testng. So you have tell like this, testng is not providing these options. Testng is giving only one report system, which is a testng. We are using the action reporting system. But here, apart from that HTML reports, it is also providing the JSON reports and HTML reports. We are telling these things, right? Okay, they'll feel happy. Okay, with this much of experience, you are telling lot of things. Okay, so that's why they'll feel more happy actually. So this is a HTML, sorry, XML actually. So open text editor. Something it is giving actually you don't understand. If you really want to see, so you can see here, when click on the sign in, pass, login with below credentials, pass. Okay, if you go and dig right, you will understand something. Okay, yeah, to understand these things, like it will take a lot of time for you because you are just a beginner, but it is not required. Just tell that it can generate JSON and also XML like that, and at a time you can generate 3 different reports also like this. So copy this and then paste it. 3 reports, HTML report, JSON report, and JUnit report. Nothing wrong in that. It is not stopping you to generate 3 reports at a time. You can generate reports 3 times also, 3 different. Okay, this is another way. And now, so if you notice, so far we are getting the report in the form of console. Okay, so this looks good, but you don't understand sometimes. See here, this is coming here, this line is, and entire thing line is like a together it is happen, but it should show something like this. It is this one and it is this one, the output of that one. This is the input and this is the output. If it is showing like that, it is very good, but sometimes the look and feel of the console is not good. Okay, if you wanted to look and feel of the console in a good manner, right? So at that moment, what you have to do it is, you have to use a command called monochrome is equal to true. When you say monochrome is equal to true, right? So go back here. The look and feel of the console output is very good. So like this, you have to do monochrome is equals to true. So let me copy this and paste it here, and after running that one, I will show you the output. The look and feel is good, just only for the look and feel, pretty look. Okay, for that one we are using this. All these are like a very silly, but these things, right, it will help you in the interview. Tell all these keywords, pretty keywords, JSON reports, XML reports, Cucumber options, scenario outline, scenario data table, okay, the plain scenario, step definition, feature, feature file, dot extension, dot feature. If you're telling all these keywords, right, that is enough in the interview. So go back here and see the report now. See the report, how it looks good, right? Okay, it is giving in the proper, it is alignment. See this, this is alignment. So this is alignment. Left hand side is different, right hand side is different. Okay, if you go to the previous one, right, everything is clubbed here. See this, everything is clubbed. Okay, if I copy paste the same thing over there, it looks very neat, and this looks very ugly. This looks good. Just like a look and feel purpose, we are using this monochrome is equals to true. Okay, and whenever the step definition is not available, as of now our test case still it is passing actually. But if the step definition is not available, right, fail the test case. What is the meaning of that? step definition is not available. So see here, I am writing one more step here, which is when click on sign out. I am writing click on sign out. This step definition is not available. Okay, if I click on the run button, it will still pass my test case. Even though step definition, this step is not having the step definition, but still my test case will pass. It will tell that implement that one. That is only it is telling. But what you have to do it is whenever the step definition is not available in the project, fail the test case. In that case, what you have to do it is a simple command strict is equal to true. This command. Go back here. All are very simple commands here. Strict is equal to true. Save it and now run this. So it will fail the test case because step definition is not available. Am I clear? I hope you people are following me.
Yes, sir.
All are simple commands are very tough to remember. Just as it is online interview, right? Keep a paper, write all those things behind your laptop, okay, or monitor. Just tell those keywords. That is enough. I'm telling how to copy also now. Okay. See this. The test case is failed. Can you see red color? Can you see? So far we didn't see red color actually. Now it started. Whenever it is step is not implemented, it is throwing an error. Why? Because see this. To do, what is that one? Implement me. Nothing but you have to implement that step like this by using this one. Okay. And now dry run. Okay. What is the meaning of the dry run? The meaning of the dry run it is it won't run the code. It will run only whether that step definitions are implemented or not. So see here, I will tell you this is advantage actually. So if you wanted to know, you are having something around thousands of scenarios, how to know which scenario is not implemented the step definition? It is very difficult, right? So that's why what you can do it is you can use a dry run. Dry run is nothing but it will run the all the steps, but it will check whether the each step is having step definition or not. If it is not there, it will throw an error. See here, I'm running this. It don't run the test case. It will just giving me, see this. This step is not having the step definitions. Clearly it is telling actually. So you don't run the test case. This is another advantage. You may be having thousands of scenarios, thousands of steps. Okay. But how to know how many steps is not implemented? For that one, just use the dry run. It will give you the errors like this. Keep on. So on so and so scenario, this step is not implemented. So that is the advantage of dry run they have provided. Okay. And this is one already we discussed. Okay, how to run a single feature file. A single feature file is nothing but that is what we are doing every time. This is to run to single feature file. If you remove this, it will run entire folder of this feature. When you click on the run button, right, it will run all the files whatever it is available in the feature. So I am having 3 different feature files. It is running 3 different feature files now. Okay, so see this, click on the run button. It is dry run only. See this. So this is pass, first feature file. Second feature file is why? Because each feature file step definitions are there in the implementation, but whereas here it is not available like that. So this is man cucumber. Okay. This is all about cucumber.
Sir, if we want to, hello,
Yeah, go ahead.
sir, Sir, if we want to run two files, sir, like sign in test case as well as contact us, both files, if we want to run means in features, we'll run all nas.
Okay, if you want to run only two different feature files. Okay,
Files.
I will do one thing. I will tell that one tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, it is almost 10:30 nearby.
Okay.
I have a meeting. So tomorrow what I will do, there is a one feature is there actually to do that one. It is similar to the groups in the testng. Testng we are having groups, right? Testng we are having groups.
Yes.
If I wanted to run only login test cases, it will run login test cases. Regression. I want to run sign in, it will run. Contact us, contact. So like the same, we are having a feature called, here we call hooks. Over there, groups. Here we called hooks. I will tell you tomorrow. Okay.